Hi, this is Puffle News with you might see my with down here. Oh, hi, this is Puffle 17 News, and this is with White Puffle. I'm White Puffle. Oh my god. Bye, Digga. We stop clowning around. We're live. Okay. Well, in other news, we will be having a serious report about a heart attack guy. He always has a heart attack. It's a random puff. I'm having a heart attack. Oh, I'm having a heart attack. That was kind of disturbing. Well, we shouldn't watch the news so much. I know. I'm just thinking maybe. I was thinking maybe we should do more stuff and watch TV. I know. Good evening. What just happened? Well, I don't know. I'm scared. Don't worry, I'll go out there. Holy crap! Hi. Yeah, like that. Later that evening. Yeah. Yeah. No, it's sister. Where the you go? Whoa. Dang it. Robot chicken's off the air. Robot puffles off the air, guys. What are we gonna do about that? Whoa. No, not again. Uh, Guys, where's my fish costume? Oh, guys. Oh, there it is. Oh, gotta get this on. Whoa. Whoa. What the crap? Oh my god. This sucks in here. Someone help me get this on. I got it. Whoa. There we go. We almost got it. And done. Recover. Well, I'm there. Yeehaw. I'm blast. I like the. Hey guys. Arr, it's me, Rock Up. And I would just like to say, here's your free picture. Not TV. It's Rock Up. Rate, subscribe. Hi, I'm a fish. I love to swim around. See? Arr. Arr. Ow, my hair. Sorry about that. You get back here. Arr. 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 Shiver me timbers. Arr. 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 Dun, dun, dun. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Finn. Hi guys, it's Finn from Slapchap here. You're gonna be saying wow every time. Guys, I'm freaking scared. Okay. Guys, I'm not freaking kidding. I'm scared. I'm just gonna end this video. Sorry, guys.